That being said, let me throw a question to you guys. If frequency is wave speed divided by wavelength, calculate the wavelength of this crease. Ooh, girl. Come back when you're done calculating it. Hello my dolls, how you doing? You're welcome back to my channel. But if this is your first time stopping by, hello darling, how are you doing today? You are welcome to my channel. So my dolls, in today's video I'll be showing you all how I achieved this I'll call it a very artistic look. It's not like your everyday makeup. Stay tuned and keep on watching to see me create this look from start to finish. So those, I just did my brows off camera so that we can just go ahead and slay this eye look quickly without being delayed with this forever taking brows. So I'm going to quickly prime my eyelids with the PLOUISE base in Rumor 02. Sometimes with this base I feel like a part of my eyelid does not accept it. No matter what I do, it will never stick there. Never. Let me use a bit of concealer to cover that spot up. Like anytime I use this base, it never sticks on that particular part of my lid. Let's see if I let it get more tacky, if it will get better. I'm going to use Masquerade palette. I think one or two colors from the SAHARAN palette and probably a color from the NUBIAN 2 palette. So I'm going to start with SOKOTO from the I lied. I'm going to start with the Masquerade palette and I will go in with ZOBO. This is the color we need. I'm going to use a more precise brush to place that shade, and this is Morphe M222. With this eyeshadow primer, you don't want to start swiping immediately. You have to pack the colors first and then you blend it out. So if you want your colors to really pop, like really pop, don't blend immediately. Just layer on the colors and then you can start blending. So once I've gotten this placement, I'll go in with the SAHARAN by JUVIAS. The reason why I'm using all this palette is because all the colors I want are not in one particular palette, so I have to come up with something. So I'll take SOKOTO to blend out the edges of this ZOBO color. So you see what I'm doing? I'm just placing it on the edge of SOKOTO, after which I'll go ahead and then blend. So I've gotten the placement, I can now start blending in both colors. Next I'll go in with a clean brush. This is from H&M crease blending brush. I'm making sure to just stay around the edge. Now I'll be going in with a very small, that's the name. This is from ELF. It's called the Small Precision Brush. I need to use this to be very precise because I want to deepen that part. So to do that, I'll go in with JEZEBEL. So with this, basically I'm going to be creating a line. Okay, so now that we have this placement, I'll just go ahead and cut my crease. For the lid, with this color FURA. All the way to this place. I'm going to be connecting this outer part, and it's literally so easy. What I'm going to do is I'll go back in with ZOBO and just draw a line like this. Okay guys, so I'm done with both eyes, so I'll just go ahead and put on my lashes. Something is telling me that these lashes don't go with this look, but girl, the way my laziness is set up this minute, embodied. So before I go ahead with my foundation, I like to use the MAC, what's this called? Select Moisture Cover Up. Added up. MAC Select Moisture Cover. So what I usually do with it is to correct all these dark areas. So for foundation, I'll be mixing my all-time favorites, Fenty in 370 and 390. Next to highlight, LA Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. To bring that concealer very close to my eyes, I'm going to use that to clean up this eye look. Another concealer with the mini beauty blender. This stuff is so good, so good for blending out the under eye area. So now I'll go ahead and set with the Makeup Revolution banana powder. I'll set the contour with MAC That Deep. I'll set with dark. So basically all the colors are applied on top of my eyelid. I'm just reapplying them along my lower lash line. So for the lips, I'll line with the COLOURPOP lips. What's it called? COLOURPOP LIPPIESTIK in Peach. Then I'll go in with ABH Crush Lipstick. Add a little bit of Naked. Fenty Gloss Bomb. So my dolls, that's basically it for this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing me create this look. If you did, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, leave a sweet comment down below, and of course subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. And one thing, if you watched all through the entire video, you would notice I wrote down something called the motivational quote of the day. If you saw that quote, type it down in the comment section so that I can know how you guys are following up. And henceforth, in every video, you're going to find a motivational quote of the day, because I've realized that we all need motivation. Like, what's the point just coming here to do the makeup or to do my makeup and you just learn makeup, but we still have personal problems we are struggling with. So I want to try my best to also use this platform to motivate myself and motivate you guys as well. So if you saw my motivational quote of the day, write the whole thing down in the comment section down below. And that's basically it for this video. Definitely I'll see you all in my next one, God willing. Bye guys. Oh my god, my lips are so dry. Looking crazy. Oh, so I usually have to disfigure you. Okay, let's take that again. This time, no mistake. Let's take it again. Let's take it again. 1, 2, 3, go. Hello my dolls, how you doing? You guys, I feel like I can see all my pores. This lens is coming badly for me. Like, girl, chill. We all got pores, you know. Like, my pores are literally holes. So huge.